It is important that children are able to flourish within the family in the truest sense, that they develop their basic human qualities in its fold, that their behavior is noble, they have the strength of mind to help others, feel concerned about their environment, and serve as an example to others. Later on, such children will be good at their work and capable of training the next generation. Even if they become aged professors with thick spectacles, they will still retain some of the good habits they developed in their childhood. That is what I believe.